here's how you can request a refund on Uber Eats. First, open the Uber Eats app and tap Account in the bottom right corner. From here, scroll down and select Help. If you're requesting a refund for a specific order, select Help with an order and choose the order you're having an issue with. If you don't see the option, get back to the Help section and select Account. From there, choose Payments and then select the I have an issue with a live cash order. You'll then need to provide some information about your account. Enter the name associated with your Uber account, followed by your phone number. In the Details section, explain that you want to request a refund. For example, you can write, I would like to request a refund for order number, followed by your order number. You can find the order number by opening the relevant order in the Uber Eats app and checking the order details. Once you've entered everything, review the details and tap Submit. That's all for this video. Thanks.